Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second lesson of Mastering Your Mindset. And in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at how markets are designed to trick you and why this is important when building your mindset. Okay, guys? So let's start with a quote, okay, done by me. Very simple quote. Everything you see in the market is designed to trick you, okay? They want you to lose. What do I mean by this, okay? The markets, trading in the markets will get the worst out of you, okay? They are designed in a way, what happens in the markets, it's designed in a way, okay? It might be intentionally, it might be unintentionally, okay? But it's designed in a way to make people lose their minds, okay? When you want to buy, the markets will tell you to sell, then you will be flipping from position, from buy to sell, etc. Okay, they are designed to trick you. Why? Because they want you to lose. The big corporations, the banks, the pharmaceutical companies, any large corporation is holding currencies, okay? Is also trading in the Forex market, which means you are competing against them, because when you are losing, they are winning, and vice versa, okay? So again, the markets are designed to trick you and they want you to lose. So have this in mind when trading, okay? Have this all the time in your head. Then, how are they making you lose? First of all, manipulating prices, okay? Manipulating prices is mainly done by brokers. That's why it's very important to have a regulated broker, to trade with a regulated broker. Brokers can manipulate prices, can manipulate spreads, can manipulate slippages, okay, to make you lose your money faster, therefore deposit more and they earn more commissions, okay? News. News is also a way they can make you lose loads of money, okay? Fake and not fake news, okay? As I always say, once a regular person has access to what seems like privileged information, it's always too late, okay? They have already made the profits from it, okay? So whenever you see a news article like Elon is buying Twitter, whenever you see this posted on a regular journal, it's too late for you to be trading it, okay, guys? Have this in mind. So again, stay away from news or trade the opposite, okay? 99% of the times you will be profitable trading the opposite as news say, okay? Then central banks, again, central banks can manipulate prices by, for example, modifying the interest rates. Therefore, they can take price in one direction or another, depending on what they want their currency to be doing. So again, central banks. And then my favorite one, which is manipulating patterns, okay? By manipulating patterns, I mean uh, institutions will try to make you think price is doing a thing and price will actually do another one, okay? So price might be respecting a bullish trend line, okay? And then do a fake out, which will trick you into selling, okay? Because it's taking out to the downside, but then it does a liquidity grab and then does the move you were looking for, okay? So these manipulating patterns, which we are really going to look at, because it's something I really love, okay? So again, manipulating prices, the only control I have is using a regulated broker, okay? News is staying away from news or trading against the news, okay? I mean news articles, not macroeconomic news, okay? Not macroeconomic events, okay? Then central banks, I try to stay away from trading during macroeconomic news release, okay? And manipulating patterns is the one I love, is the one I understand, and this is the one I trade from, okay? So how can we make this an advantage? First of all, we need to understand how this manipulation happens. As I just explained, these are the four main methods of manipulation, let's say. Again, there will be plenty of methods of manipulating prices, plenty of different types of news manipulation, plenty of macroeconomic news, events released by central banks, manipulating patterns. Okay, you need to understand each one of these and then trade it. Again, I have no control in manipulating prices, news, and central banks, but I can understand and trade manipulating patterns, which is basically what we're going to be looking at, okay, later on when we start looking at the setups, okay, trading these manipulating patterns, okay? So this is it for this lesson, guys. I will see you all on the next lesson. I hope you have an awesome day.